Next in CSS we are going to create Netflix homepage. So this is our basic HTML and this is our Netflix site and this is its homepage. You can here see that it is holding a big image. This image is a hero image. And here in navigation bar section, this is our logo, or we can say the Netflix name. And here we have to create this button. This is drop down, and this is a sign in button. So to create this, we'll consider one whole div, which will be holding all these elements, this Netflix logo, this button and this button. So that main div will be creating will be hero image div, and in that div it will be containing a nav div, navigation bar. In navigation bars div we'll be creating three more divs, one for this Netflix, one for this button and one for this button. So this is our basic HTML, and here within body section we are creating first div class equals to name of this class I'm giving is hero image, hero img. Now this is our main div which will be holding navigation bar. So div class equals to, for navigation bar I'm using nav, and in this navigation bar div we have to put all the three elements. That means we are going to put this one and this one. So we'll be creating separate divs for all the three elements. So here in navigation bar div, one more div is there, div to which we are assigning a class nav1. Later on this nav1 is going to hold that Netflix. After that one more div class equals to, here I'm giving it a name nav2. This is going to hold that button, this button, language button, and one more div for that sign in button. And to this I'm assigning a class nav3. Now in head section we are going to give style tag, and here first of all we are going to remove all the margins and paddings. So margin is 0, padding is 0, and here I'm giving font style to, font family to sans serif. Save. Now here in body section we have created a class. First class of ours is hero image. So here we are going to create that class. To create a class dot hero img. This is our first class. Now in this hero image class we have to put this image, and our image is in same folder. So for that here I'm giving background image. Here I'm giving linear gradient, and within bracket RGBA, and here I'm giving 0, 0, 0 and 0.7. We don't want to display that image in its own shade. We want to dim that image. So we are putting this, and after this you have to put comma, again RGBA, and here within bracket I'm again giving 0, 0, 0 and 0.4. Along with this I'm giving URL, and here I'm giving image address which is located in my same folder. Name of that image is Netflix b dot jpg. Save it. Next we have to give its height. Here I'm choosing a height of 600 pixel. Save it, and now we can see the image on our browser. So this is our image. Now second class we have created is nav, but before that we have to put some other thing with regarding hero image, that is background position. Background position, and here we are putting it center. Then background size to cover. Then background repeat to no repeat. And position to absolute, sorry, relative. Save. So this is a page right now. Next we have to create navigation bar. So this is going to be our navigation bar, which will be holding nav1. In nav1 we are going to put this logo. In nav2 we are going to put this button, and in nav3 we are going to put the sign in button. So here we have created nav. We have already given nav, which is holding nav1, nav2 and nav3. So first of all, here we are creating nav dot nav, and to this nav we are giving width of 100% and height of 90 pixel. And here right now I'm giving border, which I'll be removing later on. Border to 1 pixel, solid white. Save, and this is our navigation bar. In this navigation bar I will be putting that logo, that button, and one more sign in button. So here this is our parent div, that is nav, and this is nav1 div. In nav1 div I'm giving image src equals to name of my image is capture.png. Save it. So this is our image. Now we have to give its background color to transparent. So here I'm giving style equals to background color, sorry, background to transparent. Background is transparent, and we need to increase its margin from left side. So here I'm giving margin left to 160 pixel. Save. So this is our image. Next thing we need to put is this button. Now to put this button we have created a class nav2. So here in nav2 we are going to put that button. So button type equals to, I'm giving a button only. Save it, and right now it is like this. Button is here. We need to give it, here we are giving style equals to, first of all we want the text color should be white, so color equals to color colon white, color colon within double quotes white. This is going to give white color to text. Then double quotes. Then background color we want is transparent. We are giving font size of 15 pixel. First of all, we are going to put here text, that is English. Save it, and so this is our button. First of all, we'll create this button, then we'll put it here in this navigation bar. So here we have given font size. Then here I'm giving border of 1 pixel solid, and here I'm giving RGB, and within bracket we are putting color 153 comma 151 and again 151. Save. So this is our button. Now we need to put this button here. So we need to give display property to flex to parent div, and parent div is nav div. So how in our nav div, that is this div, we have to give style equals to within double quotes display property to flex. Justify content. Here I'm putting it baseline, and align items to center. This is going to vertically center that item to all. It is going to vertically center all the items, and here we have to put double quotes. Save. So this is our button. Now we need to give space in between this Netflix. We need space in between this Netflix and this button. So here I'm giving margin left in this button, and margin left, and it is 160 pixel. Save, and so it is here only. We need to increase left margin. So instead of 160 pixel, here I'm giving 600 pixel. Save. So this is our button. Right now it is at its place. Now we need to increase the size of this button. So I'm giving here width. So here in button, I'm giving width of 120 pixel. Save. So its width has increased, and we want that its corners should be little rounded. So here I'm giving border radius to 5 pixel. Save, and so this is our button. Now we need to give padding to it. So here I'm giving padding of 10 pixel. Save. So it has got a padding. Now here we have to put that language icon, and here we need to put down caret. So first of all, here we are putting down caret sign from font awesome. For that we have to put that cdnj's library. So this is the file. We need to copy it and put it inside head section outside the style tag. So this is our style tag, and before that I'm pasting that link. And in font awesome we need to search for that icon. Copy the code, and we need to put it after this text. So here after this English, before button tag closes, we have to put this. Save it, and it is looking like this on our browser. So this is our button. We need to give space in between this text and this icon. So here we have to give margin left. So style equals to, within double quotes, margin left, and here I'm giving left margin of 15 pixel. Save. Now here before this text we have to put this language icon, this icon. So here I'm giving imgsrc equals to, within double quotes, name of that image is l.png, which is in my same folder. And so this is our image. Save. So it has appeared here. Now this image has come upon that text, so we need to set its margin as well. So here I'm giving style equals to, within double quotes, margin right. Right, and here I'm giving right margin of 5 pixel. Save. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. So this is our icon, this is our text, and this is our caret, down caret. Next we have to create this button. So to create this button, and we have created a class nav3. So here in nav3 class, button type equals to, again it is of type button. We want that color of text should be white, so style equals to color. Here I'm giving is white. Here I'm giving padding of 2 pixel. Then background color, here we are giving is hash D81F26. So this is going to be the color of button. Then is font size, and here I'm giving font size of 15 pixel. save, and right now it is looking like this button is right now too small, we need to give it width. So here I'm giving width of button to be 80 pixel. Save. So this is our button, we need to put text on it. So here I'm giving text, and text is sign in. Save. So this is a text over the button. Now we need to put some space in between these two buttons. So here we have to give margin left to be 20 pixel. Save. So it has got a left margin. Next we need to give its width and height. We have already given width, we need to give its height. So here I'm giving height of 35 pixel. Save. And now we can see here that its corners are little rounded. So here I'm giving border radius of 5 pixel. Border radius, and it is 5 pixel. Save. So it has got a border radius of 5 pixel. Next we need to remove its boundary, because border outside, because here we can see that there is no border. So here I'm giving border to transparent. Now we can say border to none. Save. So this is our button. Next, in this side we can see that there is no navigation bar border. So here we need to remove it. So for that, here we have given border to 1 pixel solid white. We are removing this. Save. And right now our page is looking like this. In next video we are going to create this portion of this Netflix site.